Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Irfan here with smartincubator.com, and welcome to another live trading session. As you know, we always start our day with our calendar to see how many news we have for that day. So today is February 21st, Monday, and the news is already over at 3:30 a.m. as you can see for Euro. So we can start our day with EURUSD to see what we got right here. So I'm going to switch the time frame to 15-minute time frame and then exactly show you what's happening. So right now I can see this high probability order block here. If the candle closed like this, it's going to be a really good one. We also have another high probability order block from here to here, so two high probability order blocks kind of back to back. This high probability order block right here, these are all high probability order blocks that the candle might respect, but so far the trend is bearish. So as you can see, the trend is definitely bearish, and now we got this high probability order block, but it could also be here, here, and here. But I can use my Fibonacci level and see that this is our golden zone here. So there's a high chance that this candle goes out to here or here and then reverse. We don't know what's going to happen exactly, but this is a really high probability one that I'm going to use right now. Let me see. I'm going to set my alarm here because this is a really good one. If it drops around this area, then I can get notified, same as here. But I'm not going to take a 15-minute time frame. So yeah, for 15-minute time frame, we still got this, but we need to wait for this candle here. So in my opinion, it's going to go higher. It's not going to yeah, because there's no gap here. This is not a high probability order block. But if I want to put it here, then we have a high probability order block. So in this case, I just need to keep an eye on it to see that where it wants to give us a sell momentum to go further down. But I also can see this high probability order block here. This is a high probability order block. So you got to be careful, guys. In this case, when you have a few high probability order blocks back to back, then it means that this candle can probably break into this order block and then tap into this level and to this level here. So you got to be careful with it to see how what happens exactly. And yeah, so EURUSD, what happened? I don't know. Okay, yeah, EURUSD, I'm going to wait for it because right now it's 6:32, like 8:32 Eastern Standard Time. So we have to wait for this candle to get closed, and after that we'll see what's happening. So GBPUSD, this is a support level. This is not a high probability order block. I'm going to switch my time frame to 15 minutes, and the market is sideways, so we can say that it's definitely a bullish trend or a bearish trend, because this is definitely sideways. But what you can see right here is a high probability order block, see, in a 15-minute time frame, which is a cool one. And I can't see anything else anywhere, but look at this. In 1 hour we have higher highs and higher lows, so it's kind of trying to be bullish, but still we need to wait for this area right here if it breaks. Because look at this, we had a break of a structure, we didn't have a break of a structure, we just have a break of a structure here, and then this one here. So if I want to use my Fibonacci level, you see that we are exactly sitting at 50% level. It's exactly sitting at 50% level. Oh, sorry. But at the same time, we have a high probability order block here. So we got to see the reaction of the market, of the price, to see if it wants to drop further or it really wants to respect this zone and go higher to stop out all these sellers around this area and sellers around this area here. We'll see what happens, but right now we had a break of a structure here, so correction and then continuation towards downside. And if it wants to drop further, I'm probably going to, like, I don't know, take it up to here. Like, I'm going to take 2 trades and then leave a runner, and this is what I'm going to do. And again, for this one we have 1 minute to see how the price wants to react. Meanwhile, we can go for NAS100. Okay, so NAS100 is dropping crazy. It's really crazy. Look at this drop here, and look at this high probability order block. This high probability order block. You'll see that. So what I'm going to do, without thinking about anything, I'm going to. And the reason is that it has a high probability order block because we had a huge drop, and then the next candle didn't tap into this level here, so that's why it makes it a high probability order block. But I definitely recommend you to watch my videos if you haven't watched it yet, like for my order block strategies. So see that we had a huge break of a structure here towards downside, so that's what I'm saying. I'm going to wait for this candle for sure, because we also have a high probability order block here that you need to be careful, and we also have a high probability order block here. See, that's what I'm saying. We have a high probability order block here. We have a high probability order block here. See guys, there's so many high probability order blocks. So if it tries to create some level of support here, and then it does a little bit of consolidation, then I'm going to take a long position, because we had this it's probably a fake out, we don't know, but I'm going to wait for this for sure, because this is a really bearish trend. I'm not going to take a buy position right now. It's definitely bearish. Let me delete this one, and then we'll see that we have so many high probability order blocks. So these are the levels that need to be filled in, absolutely, there's no doubt, but at the same time you got to be careful with that. Okay, so let's go back to EURUSD to see what's going to happen exactly on a 5-minute time frame. So as you can see, okay, so it's kind of respecting our level, and also it's respecting our high probability order block. So I just want to see where this candle close. If it actually closed like this, it's gonna be beautiful. It's a very clean trend, and I'm going to use my flip account. As you can see, it's a flip account, it's a real one, and then I'm going to get it ready to kind of take 2 positions. The first one is going to be from here to here. If it closed like this, well, I gotta put my stop loss here, to be honest, but sometimes I put it just here. The first one 1 to 1, maybe longer, and the second one I'm going to leave a runner. Oh yeah, no problem. I'm going to wait for it. I'm going to wait for this candle to close, and then I take it up to here. Well, you can do like something like this. Take one from here and the second one to here. There's no point to go for that, but you can take a 1-to-1 trade as well. We'll see how it wants to react. Still, we have 3 minutes left. Sorry, yeah, 3 minutes left until this candle close, and then we'll see how it wants to react. This is my theory. I still haven't got the trade, but I just wanted to let you know that what I'm planning to do after that. The same thing is happening with GBPUSD, guys. But GBPUSD, if you go to 1 hour, you see that we had actually this, bullish, and then this is the correction. Now it's probably going towards down upside again. We still don't know, but it's a very, very clean thing that it's respecting right now. But yeah, it's I'm kind of doubtful, because I'm not sure what it wants to do exactly. But I'm going to stick with EURUSD for now, and let's see where it gets closed. Okay guys, so far so good. I actually took my trade here. As you can see, I entered my trade here. I put my stop loss right here above this candle. I want to put it above this candle, and then I'm going to take my positions somewhere around here. So if I go to 15-minute time frame, then I can see that we have a high probability order block here. So I can probably take my trade somewhere around here. Yeah, this is actually enough space for that. and it's going to be almost 12 pips. Yep. Yeah, this is gonna be a good one. Let's see how it actually wants to perform, because if I go to 50-minute time frame, you still see that we have this high probability order block. So it's gonna be a good risk to reward if it wants to respect this. If not, we're gonna like wait for this candle. If not, we're gonna wait for this candle. We'll see how it wants to perform actually. But so far so good. I'm going to go to GBPUSD to see what it wants to do here. The same thing is happening with GBPUSD, but guys, I'm really doubtful about GBPUSD right now because of I'm not saying it's not going down further, but because of this high probability, not golden zone in the 1 hour time frame, this is gonna be a little bit more, you know, harder to trade. But this is more cleaner because we have that actually. But so far, let's go to, what do you call it? Let's go to 1 hour to see if it have the same pattern. No, see, EURUSD is totally different, guys. EURUSD is totally different. So if I go to this, you'll see it actually is breaking 70% level. So we have, like, you know what I mean? We have a hope. So in the worst case, I probably get close here, but I'm going to close it here, guys, because we have a very, very beautiful high probability order block on a 50-minute time frame that needs to be tapped into, especially when you have this momentum on a 50-minute time frame. So what I'm going to do is just wait, for the candle to close, and then I take my trade here to see what's going to happen exactly. So guys, as you can see, so far so good. It doesn't look really bad because, as I said, it's a clean trend. We are trading according to the trend. We have our high probability order blocks according to the trend. So what I'm saying is that the price might go to this level to tap into this zone and then shoot up. But so far so good. So far so good. I'm happy about it. It's trying to create higher highs, higher lows. So I'm not saying that I'm trading, you know, opposite the trend. It's not happening here, but we'll see. So if it actually closes above this level, then it's going to be a what do you call it? It's going to be an uptrend, because the thing is that we have, okay, so 2506, 250608. I'm going to modify this one as well. 133.85, 133.85. Okay, now we have 3 stop losses here. Okay, and 113.211. Okay, now everything's good. Yeah, what I'm saying is that if it creates high head and shoulder like this and close above this level, then I'm going to kind of change my bias, because head and shoulder is very powerful, and if it wants to do such a thing, then I'm going to kind of close it here. Yeah, but I'm gonna give it some room. So here is a perfect stop loss. Okay, this is a perfect take profit here. I'm not going to change anything. We are into 3 trades, and yeah, here we are. So I'm going to remove this because it's not helpful anymore, and hopefully it works, because it's a beautiful rejection towards downside. So sellers are still strong, they're still in the game and ready to tap into this level here. Okay guys, as you can see, we are smashing our take profits here. So I'm going to wait for this one to get smashed. It's actually right here. Let me just close this bad boy. I'm going to close that. Oh shoot. And then what I'm going to do is to wait for the price to tap into this level. Well, yeah, because the thing is that it already tapped into this level, see, and I didn't want to take a risk because it really tapped into this level. I should have closed it earlier, it was my fault, but yeah, it wasn't a bad one. We almost gained 16% on a flip account, so that's why I didn't want to hold it, guys. I said, okay, that's enough, enough is enough. We had a huge, look at this, guys, look at this, wow, it's crazy. What time is it? Wow, we got super lucky. Let's go to GBPUSD. Wow, what a trade, what a trade. I definitely, wow, it was crazy. Look at this. Don't you believe in high probability order blocks, guys? Like, it's, I don't know, it's 9 AM, so we still have 30 minutes left until market opens, and this is what happened. I don't know what's going on. Let's see. Oh yeah, because of New Zealand. I didn't pay attention to this. 8 AM, New Zealand official cash rates, monetary policy. Oh, that's why. Wow, that's why it actually should. I closed it here, guys. That's why I said I didn't want to wait. I said, man, let's just close a trade. I'm not going to wait for it. It was already really good, and yeah, that's good. It was 16% on a $100 account, guys. 16% in one trade. So it's a flip account, and as you can see, this is real. And if I want to show you what's going to happen, might be this. Look at this doji candle here. So we'll still have a high chance that I'm not going to take another trade because I already won a trade, which was this one. So I'm not going to touch it, but as I said, there's a high chance that it just drops further and I stop out all these buyers around this area. But this high probability order block is already tapped into, in my opinion, but it's still coming down because of this candle. But I'm not going to trade anymore because I already had a winner trade. I'm not going to double my position or anything like that. So it's all about that. If you take a loss, you still can give yourself one more chance to enter another trade if you think it's high probability. But if you already won a trade, you don't have to enter another one, right? You know what I mean? You don't have to do that, because if you overtrade, you will lose over time. And right now, you don't know that whether it's going to come here or not, because we don't have any level right now. It's in the middle of the chart with this huge candle that got rejected towards, like, you know, from both sides. So it's not really a good idea to take it from here, even if it actually takes my profit if I want to take it here. So I don't care. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and also turn on the notification bell, so next time when I upload a video, you'll get notified. Okay, let's take a look at Goldie Incubator. Today's 21st, and the bot took two trades, one for $11, one for $58, which is amazing, and one for negative $29, and now it has one open position here. So in total, we are up almost $988 in the last 20 days, which is absolutely insane. And if you want to check out the live results yourself, go check it out on my FX book. The link is in the description. This is a really good one, guys. 1452% in 1 month, exactly a month, from January 21st to February 21st, exactly 14%, which is absolutely insane. And as I said, everything is live here. Go check it out yourself. If you're interested, you can grab your license from smartincubator.com and then send us an email. We'll manually activate your account. So again, thank you so much, and see you in the next live trading session.